Okay, let's do one last video about parts of a whole. So this will be the third one and final one. Here we want to just draw fractions or draw parts of a whole. So let's look at two examples. First one is draw 1/3. So to do this, let's draw a rectangle, but we need equal parts, always equal parts, and we know from the denominator there's going to be 3 equal parts in the whole. So to make this easiest, let's make it 3 centimeters long so that each equal part can be 1 centimeter. So just make this as easy as we can. Now we could measure the height. The height needs to be, we need to know the height, but in this case we have line paper, we can measure it, but let's just go 2 lines high. Same thing over here. Okay, so we have a shape here, and we know we can divide it into 3 equal pieces because we chose to do 3 centimeters. So let's mark off our equal pieces at 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. It's already drawn at the end. Okay. So now we have thirds. We have our denominator. All right. Now we need our numerator or our counting number. How many are there? How many are we counting? Just 1. So let's mark that 1/3. There we go. We have 1/3 here. Now let's try drawing 5/3. So again, we're going to start off by doing thirds the same way we did in the previous example. Easiest way to do that is a box of 3 centimeters long. If it was fourths, do a box 4 centimeters long. The simplest way. Okay, so here we have thirds. How many thirds do we have here? We only have 1, 2, 3. We need 5. So what we're going to do is, okay, we're going to use all these 3. So our counting number is going to be 3. So that's a whole. 3 thirds. 1, 2, 3 thirds, that's a whole. But we still need some more. So what we're going to do is draw another whole. So same thing, hopefully one last time. Okay, we'll mark off our thirds. Okay, so we have thirds again. Now, we have 3 thirds. 1/3, 2/3, 3 thirds in that whole. We need to get to 5 thirds. So let's just keep counting. 1/3, 2 thirds, 3 thirds, 4 thirds, 5 thirds. Okay, so now I have 5 thirds. So this whole thing, all together, is 5 thirds. And on this whole here, I have 1, 2 out of 3, or 2 thirds, to get to my 5 thirds. So one whole, one complete whole, and 2 thirds on a second whole gives me the 5 thirds that I wanted to draw.